Lavender International is a specialist provider of NDT training, examination and consultancy services. Our partnership with Weld is a practical, hands-on collaboration, making sure that technicians are genuinely competent rather than just becoming qualified.
Lavender is one of our key training partners. We supply Lavender with a range of equipment from basic UT flaw detectors, eddy current sets, all the way up to advanced phased array sets like the OmniScan X4. They use them for a range of different applications and training courses for corrosion mapping, weld inspection, and also for TFM applications on PCI, etc.
It's about teaching technicians to be completely competent in the latest phased array kit, like the X4 that we've got here today. We've been using the OmniScans for over 25 years, and every time that we use them, they're getting technically better, more refined, and the interface has been a lot more interactive and intuitive.
The OmniScan X4 has a really easy workflow. Each tab clearly identifies what information is required to get the perfect setup.
My job is an ND development engineer. I've been using Evident products for the last 2 years. I find them quite easy to use, quite quick to set up. The buttons are where you'd expect them to be. The menus are quite easy to navigate. Everything's in a convenient place, really.
The user interfaces and things like that are set up very well, easy to use. So I think even somebody with not too much experience can come on and adapt fairly quickly. When it comes to reviewing the data live on the set, it's very simple, easy to do. It's just a case of rolling the wheel to move your data along.
What we pride ourselves with is that we listen to the customers and produce features and functions that will help and support them in the applications they do. The great thing about our partnership with Lavender is that it allows us to get a lot of customer feedback. So we like to think that it goes both ways with us in terms of a relationship.
We can loan test samples, whether it's composites or weld, for us to run our internal training or just for territory managers to get familiarised with the equipment.
They've got many staff on there that have a huge amount of experience in lots of different industries. So it's great that we can tap into that resource and that knowledge and that experience.
They're all very supportive of everything that we want to do here at Lavender International. They've been responsive from any questions that we might have. We've got technical support on hand to make sure that we're providing as good a detail and as good a training as we can do. Having Evident as the partner to do that is a perfect match.